Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at home. Once again, we'll do a new poem of course book. The Song of the Engine is one of the interesting poem. Okay, it is written by Kristen Weatherly. Okay, so before starting this poem, I have activity for you. I'll ask some questions. Okay, you can send me answers through audios. So, what are the different modes of transport? Where do you go for your holidays? How do you travel? How many of you enjoy traveling by train? What do you get to see as you go along? You can send me answers to audios. Now, I will recite poem. When you travel on a railway and the line goes up a hill, just listen to the engine as it pulls you with a will. Though it goes so very slowly, it sings this little song, I think I can, and so it goes along. But later on the journey, when you are going down a hill, the train requires no pulling and the engine singing still. If you listen very quietly, you will hear this little song. I thought I could, and so it speeds along. Okay, so here are some word meanings. Line. What is the meaning of line? Line means railway tracks for train to run on. Okay, will. What's the meaning of will? A strong wish to do something. Journey. Journey means a long trip. Requires means needs. Speeds means moves very fast. So these are the word meanings. Before starting this poem, we should know the meaning of the words. Now, this is a poem about the song of the engine. Okay, when you travel on a railway, you all, have you traveled? As I asked you questions, so you have given me multiple responses that when you traveled on a railway, okay, and the line goes up a hill, have you observed the railway track? Okay, who have gone, they have observed the railway track moves upside. Okay, as we saw, just listen to the engine as it pulls you with a will. So when you will travel, okay, you can observe the sights, the scenes, or listen to the engine, the sound of the engine very, very carefully. Okay, as it pulls you with a will. Okay, the engine is the only one which can travel or which can moves you, okay, with the willpower, right, with a strong way. Though it goes very slowly, because it's quite tough to move to the upside of the hill, so the train goes slowly, the speed is slow. Okay, it sings this little song, I think I can, and so it goes along. So usually train, while moving, Train sings a little song, interesting song. I think I can, I think I can. Because hillsides, it's tough to move, but still, train, have courage. Okay. Okay. Trains have courage to move towards. I think I can, I think I can. But later on the journey, when you are going to a hill, so you can observe when you moves upside the hill requires force. But when you are going down to a hill, in the same way, the train requires no pulling, because when the train goes down, it needs no pulling. Easily train can move, and the engines singing still the same sound, but in a different way. Okay, if you listen very silently, very quietly, you will hear this little song. Okay, I thought I could, and so it speeds along. With this song, train moves very fast. Okay, the downside, hill. In this way, train travels, moves happily. Okay, in hillside slowly, and then downside easily. Very good. Easily. Right. So this is today's poem. We have discussed about the song of the engine. Right? It's very interesting poem. And one more thing, you need to listen very quietly so that you can hear the song of the engine, because most of the persons or the most of the children usually when they travel, they shout, they don't want to they enjoy the trip, but they don't want to listen to the sound of the engine or anything else. So you should listen the song of the engine, okay, when you goes up side of the hill or when you going down side a hill, both, and observe both the sounds very carefully. Yeah, then you will get a sound, right? The change sound of the engine. This is all about this poem, the song of the engine. Hope you all have enjoyed this poem, but you have to recite at least 3 times. Okay, hope you will recite it, and if you will find any difficulty in any line, you can send me message. Okay, thank you, students.